So let's begin. First of all, I'd like to welcome you all. It's a pleasure having you all here, and it's wonderful seeing all you young fans out here. So a quick introduction. We are World Cricket fans. We're here to provide you a platform to express yourself, share your thoughts, share your memories. So we're completely about the game. We're here about all you passionate people sharing your thoughts. It's completely about the game. So let's begin with today's match. It's RCB versus SRH. We all know how amazing and how entertaining these two sides have been throughout the IPL. So let me quickly first open the session with all you SRH fans at the first. So Pranit, let's start with you. How do you think who do you think is the most entertaining player from your team? Like, who do you think will be the most star for your team this season?
Um, like in my opinion, I'd say Rashid Khan would be like the one you should be looking for. He's been a star for like most of the matches. Like
Yes.
the history says,
Yeah.
like I don't even have to explain the whole thing, but yeah, I kind of feel like he's going to be a crucial player, and I feel like Warner is going to be another key player that you have to look for as well.
Yep.
But like talking about domestic players, I have a pretty good feeling. If Manish Pandey can pull it off, the match is on our side. That's all I can say.
Definitely, Praneeth. So, Deepthi, let's go to you. Could you tell us a little about your journey as how you became a SRH fan?
So I am an Hyderabadi. So since 2013, since this franchise came into existence, I started supporting Sunrisers Hyderabad. In 2014, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar joined Sunrisers Hyderabad, and I'm a very, very, very big fan of Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. So that is how I became like a diehard fan of Sunrisers Hyderabad. So that's how my journey began. Yeah.
No, that's good to know. Moving on to the RCB fans. Akshay, I want to speak to you. So, what do you think? Isala Cup Namde. Do you think this is going to happen this year?
Prati Salah Cup Namde. That means every year is ours, right? So, so yeah, hopefully this year. I mean, the Indian core is pretty strong.
Yes.
Of RCB, they have maintained. I mean, they've actually got a good bunch of foreign players, some finishers. So, yeah, if the Indian core performs, I think the foreigners will just add some more salt to the biryani today.
Definitely. I definitely hope that's the case. And I definitely hope RCB wins this. And, definitely hoping this is the year for RCB. Rachana, let's move on to you. It's great seeing all you fans out here. It's great seeing especially girls out here and showing the support for cricket. We know how people are crazy about cricket in India. And I would like to know how your journey started, Rachana. How did you start supporting RCB and how did you start supporting cricket?
So I have been always fan of cricket.
Yep.
But then since IPL started, since season 1, I have been huge fan of Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Yes.
And being fan of Virat and ABD, this franchise, it makes me give all my support to the team.
Yeah.
And it's actually great seeing team doing very well.
Yeah.
So hoping this year is ours. Team looks quite well balanced and hoping for a great match ahead.
Definitely hoping it'll be a cracking match. We can't wait to watch these two teams back on the ground, and it's been amazing. So, Pranit and Deepthi, a quick question. How do you think the IPL has been so far? Has it met your expectations?
We missed the Manish. And I think Manish is very famous because I have seen his video a few times.
Yeah.
Some of the pages, and I think he's jumping, dancing, and I can see his face is very excited for the game to start. And I think he just looked like he's actually watching the game while we seeing each other. So Manish, I think your journey must be very excited. The excitement you always shows on the screen and on your Insta story, and then we want to show and share the story that maybe what is your favorite fan moment and where you from and how you get into in Sunrise Hyderabad.
Well, being a typical Hyderabadi who loves his biryani and who's been hailing from Hyderabad since his childhood, I'm someone who's been an ardent fan of the Sunrisers Hyderabad since its inception. And speaking of my favorite fan moment, it should definitely be that 2016 championship victory. Yeah. And that is something which made all the Sunrisers Hyderabad fans hold their heads high. And we are continuing with the same excitement. And though we are an underrated team, we continue to move forward with the same intensity, and we take a lot of pride in the team that we have, and always hope the best coming out from our team.
That's great.
And I believe that you might be a very excited fan, and so all of others as well. So you must be missing that gap that because of the corona, the pandemic hit, and you're not in the ground, and you can't just go and just play, dance, or wave the flag in front of with your fan army or dholi or dance. But somewhere we had an interview and we find out that fans also are excited that exactly this is a new era, this is a new world, that we all can talk to each other by connecting just for a Zoom call or a FaceTime or a video call. So we just can share the emotions, like the excitement, rather than we can't be in Dubai. So how you guys, I just go one by one with all of you to start with Deepti, like what do you think about all this?
See, initially, I wanted IPL to happen in India, but since it's not happening, I'm happy that it's happening somewhere. And talking about this new digital age, because of this, I can share my expressions and my feelings with my teammates and over social media and everywhere. And that's how I feel connected. Now I feel like I am not alone. I'm not alone in my home. I'm not alone supporting Hyderabad, but I have my whole team with me who are digitally supporting Sunrisers Hyderabad, and we are really rooting for them. And they also know, the players, that the fans are looking up to them, if not in the stadium, through the screens.
Yeah.
Definitely. And Rachna, what do you think?
Yeah, I would definitely miss cheering for my team at the stadium, waving the flag and chanting RCB. But then digital media has given us a platform where we can still cheer for our team.
Yep.
And social media is one huge platform where which we can make use of it to give our support to my favorite team. So that's how I'll be cheering. I'm all set to cheer for RCB.
Yes.
Definitely. Parneet, you are in Melbourne, right? Oh,
I'm in Gold Coast.
you're in Gold.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Like for me, yeah, it's I'm actually missing like I was looking forward for the IPL, and because of the whole coronavirus I was disappointed how things have turned out. But like I get it, like India has to take whatever precautions that they have to take, and I'm really happy that it's finally happening.
Yeah.
And for me, I don't know what to say. Like I've been a Hyderabadi, and like I'd say everyone I meet, I'd be like, for us, it's like biryani, sherwani, and kubani. That's the motto. So like I'm like all the way. I really want Hyderabad to succeed,
Yep.
and I'll see. Yeah, like I'm all pumped up for the game.
And Akshay, you also waiting to win and perform this time, at least Virat Kohli win the trophy, and there is a much awaited moment that from RCB point of view, a lot of people have been changes and been to a different team. Like last night, Stonio has played really amazing inning before he was playing in RCB. Somewhere like he never performed in RCB. Just he moved the team, and he was performing like outstanding game. So what do you think about this? You're on mute, by the way.
That happens to, I think, most of the RCB players also. I mean, half the Punjab team is from this state. So, yeah, I mean, good for Stoinis, good for Delhi that he performed well, but we have a good, fresh bunch of players. Finch, Moin, they all just joined the team 2-3 days ago. So they're also back from UK. They're also pretty fresh with some game experience, I mean, in the last 6 months. So, yeah, I mean, we have a good team that we can start with, actually.
Is there any RCB is looking for any luck to get on top? All the time they are on top, but they just couldn't qualify.
I mean, they have the experience
around the world.
No, they actually have the experience, but they don't get the core and they don't get the team right till the 5th or the 6th match. And by the time the other teams already have those 6-8 points on the table. So I think if we can get our death bowling right, I think the batting almost looks sorted, just like every other year.
Maybe this is the time. Maybe RCB have just shifted to the IPL have shifted to Dubai. So maybe there is a chance like RCB can actually win this IPL tournament.
Yes, because last time I think RCB did pretty well when the initial few matches happened in Dubai and UAE and everything. So RCB was doing really well. In fact, Chahal never even got even hit for a six when he was actually bowling in Dubai. So the wickets do help the spinners. So and RCB has a good bunch of them. So yeah, a real good prospect for RCB playing especially in the UAE and Dubai.
So back to Manish. Manish, what do you think? Who will win tonight?
Well, I will be definitely rooting for the Sunrisers Hyderabad, and we in fact got a huge win against RCB the previous season, where both our openers got centuries. So that is the confidence that'll carry forward in the same match, I hope. And but again, I'll say that may the best team win, and hopefully we put on a good show.
Now, definitely, I think I'm back to Nitin. Nitin, you have a question for all of our fans?
Yes, definitely a question that every fan can agree with me, or every fan has a message that they can share. So I know it's hard times, and I know we've all been through a very rough year. But then, if there's one message that you want to send out to all your fellow fans who are watching their team and supporting their team right from their home, what would your message be? What would you want to say or convey to your fellow fans out there? Let's start with Manish. Let's start with you.
Well, I just want to say that these are tough times, and nothing can match the thrill of going to the stadiums and shouting and cheering and roaring our hearts out for our favorite team. But we have a virtual platform on our hands this time around, and therefore we should make sure that we do not lose intensity as far as supporting our team is concerned.
Yes.
And we should, as the Orange Army, we should go all guns blazing supporting the Orange Army.
Definitely hoping, and that's the support every team would be looking for. So Praneet, do you think you agree with this, or do you have a different message for everyone out there?
Yeah. I definitely do agree. This is like tough times, and we need IPL the most than ever. And I'd say, like, I am not backing down, but at the same time, yeah, like RCB, like this is not toxic fan talk that I'm giving. Yeah, like these guys like should have their luck, and I'm up for whoever puts on a show, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Definitely looking forward for the game. Rachna, do you want to add your thoughts to it?
Yeah, like obviously we'll miss cheering for RCB through stadiums. But then since virtual platform is available, let's all of us cheer for our favorite team, and you all are support to it. So we'll be always backing up RCB no matter what.
Definitely. I mean, we're all, in the end of the day, we're all trying to cheer our team any way possible. Akshay, what are your thoughts on this?
Well, in the month of April, nobody one was stepping out of the house. BCCI has made it possible to at least like we can see some live action, and that is sort of bringing in positivity to everyone's life. So irrespective of the result, as long as people are feeling happy, and this is really a good step by BCCI as well, that they're making things happen. So virtually, we fans will always be with our teams, whichever team it may be. It's just up to the teams to give us that cheer and that happiness, and we can support them virtually no matter where they play. We'll always be with them.
Definitely. I mean, we all should be grateful for BCCI to make this happen. And Deepti, do you agree that we're getting a chance to even witness this whole IPL tournament? What are your thoughts on this?
First of all, as a cricket fan, cricket is like a stress buster to all of us, and we miss this stress buster for almost a complete year, half a year at least.
Yes.
So getting back, watching IPL is something we all have to, be grateful that we got the opportunity to watch it at least on digital platform. And to all the Sunrisers fans out there, people call us underdogs. I want you all to show that it is wrong, and I want you all to flood all the social media with all the orange content. Yeah.
Well, I for one definitely don't think Sunrisers are underdogs. I mean, they have a pretty strong lineup, and they can definitely do amazing this season. So it's amazing. It's amazing to get to meet all of you, and it's been a great experience. I mean, meeting all you fans who I've never even seen before, but it's an amazing experience what digital media can do and how the game can connect all of us together. It's great knowing fellow passionate cricketers or fellow passionate sports people who are interested in the sport, and it's been great talking to all of you. So
It's a little bit challenge for us in Australia because our time zone is different. We only able to watch the first inning, and I was keep just chatting
Yeah.
with him, and he was watching all the match,
Yeah.
like every match. But from last Saturday and Sunday you can, but today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday.
Yeah.
Back to work. So it's like 4:30 or 4 o'clock match finish. So it will be very hard for us. But the passion. People who actually have to kick cricket, and especially for IPL, I think it's tremendous. And I think there was a yesterday's match you might have seen. It went to super over, so it's like so much excitement. And I was thinking like maybe Delhi will easily win, or maybe when I saw the wickets early, and then after that it went to super. I had really slept. So the excitement and entertainment is still alive, and I just want to say thank you so much, all of you. What you guys doing, and I also want to encourage you to stay home, stay safe. Do not actually, in case if there is a big group going out there to saying like let's go to watch the game and all that. I better say stay home. Make your home your dugout. We have fan dugout. You can encourage anyone. Like next time we will connect again definitely if there is another game going on. So keep an eye. We always encourage you and empower you to just support your team. And thank you so much once again. Whatever you want to say, a quick 2-2 group, whatever for RCB and the Sunrise Hyderabad. What is your quick 30-second message for today's game? Who will win and who will be the man of the match? Sunrise.
Let's start with the Sunrisers.
Well, I think that it's going to be a titanic clash, and clash between SRH and RCB is always a great game, and we're much looking forward to it. But I hope that our captain David Warner performs really well today. We are really excited to see him back in action, and hopefully both the teams do well, but Sunrisers Hyderabad emerge victorious.
That's very hopeful from you, and I hope that happens. Let's go to the RCB.
Yeah.
What do you think? Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So I feel like this season is very much, I don't know, I get the vibe that is similar to 2016, and I feel like this is like one of those, that final match. So I hope it goes well. Yeah, and we win.
Yep. And what do you have to say, Pranit?
Yeah, I guess Sunrisers got a really good lineup. Like they got their core team, so like I would say Sunrisers have an upper edge, but at the same time, like we can't underestimate RCB as well. I'd say it's gonna be a delight to watch bowling lineup take on RCB, because like they have some really good wildcard players.
Yep.
And watching AB de Villiers is like he's gonna be all there. He could be one of the players to watch out as well. So yeah, I'm supporting Sunrisers. So like I'd say Sunrisers, yeah, but like it's gonna be a good match to see. Yeah.
We all know how good Mr. 360 can be. So Akshay, what do you have to say? Who do you think is going to win this, and who's going
I think it will be another last over thriller.
Yep.
It will go down to the last over, and hopefully the red and gold team comes out as winners. And I think it will be one of the bowlers who will be a star performer today from either side.
Yep.
Like how it was Shami yesterday, or even Stoinis with that 20th over, or Rabada for that matter. So I think the bowlers will have a better say this IPL more than the batsmen.
Yep, that's been the case so far. And Rachna, what's your thoughts on this?
I hope the match will be a thriller match tonight, and looking forward for Kohli and ABD's show tonight. So hopefully RCB wins the match and with the flying colors. So
let's be hopeful that this is finally RCB's here and they finally get to win their maiden IPL. So that's the expectations from all of RCB fans. So I guess that's it from us. Mr. Gurnam sir, is that it?
No, all good. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. And I hope you guys enjoy the game. We will enjoy from Australia. You will enjoy from India. And we will definitely connect soon just to see how we will go for the next phase. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you.